Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. For the market launch of the new model, Toyota is launching a premier edition of the Yaris, which come with all the new features of the model series, combined with the new two-tone Neptune blue paintwork with a black roof and black pillars. The blue color theme can also be found in the interior, while the contrasting stitching on the seat and the decorative lines on the dashboard and the panels are in blue, as well as on the newly designed black 17-inch alloy wheels. Other two-tone paint finishes available for the Premier Edition are Platinum Pearl White and Silver Metallic. There is also a new 5-spoke design for alloy wheels in silver or with machined surface, a new pattern for the seat cover, and the new juniper blue paint finish. Otherwise, the Yaris retains its energetic appearance, characterized by dynamically condensed lines and a sporty profile, which it owes to the GAB platform. While the overall height and length are compact, the long wheelbase and the wide track at the front and rear ensure a rich appreciation and a good amount of space in the interior. The short overhangs and turning radius of just 5.2 meters with 16-inch wheels contribute to maneuverability in city traffic and make maneuvering and parking easier. The clearly designed interior follows the concept of less is more and convey the spacious feeling of the vehicle from a higher segment. Soft touch surface on the dashboard, soft felt insert in the door panels, a wide front console, a low cover for the driver instrument, and a sporty small diameter steering wheel ensure a high quality and airy ambience. For customers who prefer an even sportier appearance, Toyota has developed the GR Sport Equipment variant, exclusive 18-inch rim with red decorative lines, sport seat for driver and front passenger, sport pedals, a steering wheel with a perforated surface and a Gazoo Racing logo on the seat. The start button and the steering wheel indicate the model's sporty origins. The exclusive paintwork in dynamic gray and GR Sport emblem on the front and rear round of the striking design. The exclusive paintwork in dynamic gray and GR Sport emblem on the front and rear round of the striking design.